Hello YouTube. Wanted to do a quick video on my Beretta PX4 Storm compact 40 caliber. It's fully ambidextrous. I changed, put some mossy oak rubber Talon grips on it. I changed the magazine release over for left-handed. The safety decocker is completely left-handed. See if I can. It is unloaded. There's the one I took out of the pipe, and there's both magazines. It is unloaded. But you know, safety decocker works great on it. This is one of my most accurate guns, and softest shooting guns. I shoot Underwood ammo. This is what I carry, and it's loaded very hot. And it handles those with no problem. But regular, like practice ammo, like Browning or Winchester White Box or something, you know, the 100 packs. It's I don't know. It's like shooting a 380 or something. It's very, because of the rotating barrel. It just dissipates recoil to no end. Magazine dumps, double taps, no problem. Very accurate gun. You know, it's very reliable. I've never had even shooting steel casings and things like that. I've shot just about every kind of ammo you can think of through 40 caliber ammo through it, and never had a misfire or a failure to feed, failure to eject, nothing. And I've shot, I don't know, several thousand rounds through it. They're inexpensive guns. Came with the 12 plus 1 round magazine, but I usually keep the 14 rounder in it. 14 plus 1 for 15 shots of 40 Smith & Wesson hollow points. Awesome gun. What more would you expect from the people who invented guns, which is Beretta. I carry it a lot, so it's got a little bit of wear on it, but I could either, get the whole Bruntian finish off and polish it up to a stainless steel shine, which is something I'm thinking about doing, or I could just re-blue it. So either way, it's really easy to take down these two levers. I can't show you because I'm holding the phone, but you just pull down the two levers, slide the slide off, take it down. It's really easy. But it does have the rotating barrel, which is really cool. Very reliable, very soft shooting, very accurate. That's it.